Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it's your first time, this is your girl Beauty by Chini. So basically today I'm gonna quickly share with you guys how to fix these eyelashes, fit Wendy's lashes. Okay, I've done a video about Wendy's lashes some years, maybe I think about a year ago or so. So this was basically the lashes I'm going to be using. So the first one was the Wendy's lashes, and the second one was I forgot the name, but that was the one I faced in the other of my video. Okay guys, and again this is the glue I'm going to use. This is bonding. Okay, so to fix these lashes is very easy. So I basically want to finish the old one that I already have. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with the Wendy's lashes, because why I want to use this one, because both of them, if you look at the Wendy's lashes, you will see that is from 12 millimeter to 16 millimeter. So basically this particular one here is also 12 millimeter. Okay, so that's why it makes it more easy for me to use two of them. I actually like that because it's very short, it's not that long. So the first one I faced from Wendy's lashes was very long. Okay, people really like it. Actually this one here is so easy, and I'm also avoiding the fact that so that the glue will not enter my eyes like it did on the last video. I've finished the other side of the eyes, and I'm trying to finish the other side of the eyes too. Okay, so you guys see how far we have gone and how far we are looking like. And yeah, so it's basically easy, and I really, these days I really like lashes. Okay, it's something that I can't deal with. Like the one I removed lasted me for 2 weeks. Okay, so that's the maximum amount they last me, and I think they should have last more than that, but because I always wash my face, and I'm somebody that cannot stay without washing my face. I wash my face with water whenever I'm having my shower. I wash my face, so it really tried to last me for 2 weeks, and that's it guys. I am so happy and excited to share this little tutorial with you guys, so that if you are still curious how I do that, and this is probably about 4 of my videos that I did with I have done eyelashes on my channel. Okay, so I'm an eyelashes type. I'm an individual eyelashes type. Okay, so that's basically it guys, and I'm so excited, and we have finished. I'm using my mascara to, you know, lighten it up a little bit to make it more darker. Okay, and here is the final result guys. As you guys can see right there, so clean. You can't even know that is me that fixed it. This is basically something I have to pay 70 euros in Italy to an Italian person. Okay, it's not even to a black person. A black person can even have a conscience to collect 5 euro. Okay, so I went to Italian person. They told me that I have to pay 70 euros for this. I was like, what? 70 euro for what? I can do it by myself. So guys, if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. My next video guys, bye.